I'm going to be changing this lock with a commercial lock here. And if you ever run across one of these locks, don't be afraid. They are easy to put on and take off once you get used to it. You have your lock and latch that goes in the door and that pushes in on every lock. And you have to remember, on these locks here, one side is threaded, one side is not threaded, and each of the sides have a hole on the inside that you have to twist right there, stick something on the inside, and it will release the knob. Then you can do the other side as well, stick something on the inside and it will release the knob. All of your locks gonna have that on the commercial locks. So just find you a paper clip. Let's open up your paper clip. Okay. And twist this. And once you twist it, you'll see the little lever on the inside. Push it in, and the knob will come up. Right there. Okay. And take this part off. Do the other side. That side is not the threaded side. This is the threaded side. Same thing, you find the little lever on the inside. Stick your paper clip on the inside, push, and it will release, just like that. So now you have your knobs, and remember, this is the threaded side. This side twists off. Okay, thread it, and that's the little hole that you're gonna stick in. And on the inside, there's a little lever on the inside. Watch it push in. When I push it in, you look right there. You'll see it go in. You push the little hole. You twist it. And you push the little hole. Watch it go in. Okay. See it move? See it move? Okay. And that's what release that. We're gonna have thread on this side, so this is the threaded side. Now on here, on this particular lock, you have to put your bolt in because it slides. Let me show you this. It slides in just like that. Okay? It's not like the other locks where you put it in and then you put the bolt in. The knob go on the inside. This slides. Okay? So now we know how these work and how to get it loose. Let's put that on the door. Get this off. This is a K-knob. Bolt, screw, screw. Now on these, okay, you take this off. remove that. That's an ugly bolt. Okay, now remember, this goes in first because this has to slide in and connect on here. Threaded side out. Slide in. Make sure I got this right. Now we have a problem. We have a big problem. See how this? This is not going to work. Okay, the latch is on the inside here. But we have too much coming out here. This is not going to work. Yeah, it's not going to work. So let's put this back together and call the people and tell them this is not going to work. We won't have a happy door here. Well, I tried. You all saw it. Put it back together. Now, it's still gonna get hit with a service charge. I guarantee you that. Well, at least we know how to put a door in. Take that, or you see me put the bolt in. Take this and just fit it in. Make sure that that part goes on the sliding right part. Okay, so that piece is there. Put the other knob on. Now, when you get to this piece right here, make sure you line up the holes right. Not these holes, the hole on the inside. Because this was gonna actually control the lock. Crazy lock. There we go. Now we line this up. To do this easy, pull out just a little and stick the screw in the hole in the back. Twist it a little to get the threads going. You don't want to close it, just want to get the threads going because you have to do the other side. Pull it out and you'll see the bolt go in the side hole. Got it. And once you get it in that side hole, I'm gonna twist it. Get it on there. So now it's actually on. I'm just twisting it to close it. I don't think they're gonna be happy with the fact that I didn't put that lock on. I mean that knob. It's not my fault. I have to go to the hardware store and get another knob. Short, okay. So this one, okay, that's good. Let's put that lock back together that we're not going to use. Remember, this is the threaded side and the plate hole on the inside. Put it on, thread it. Okay, get your lock, your knob. Now here, you see this little piece right there? That's the part that you're gonna kind of slide it in. It goes on this longest hole right there, the long hole. And then you got to snap it in, okay? Here's the same way. You got your plate. Look for this piece right here. That's the spring that goes right here on here, okay? The long side on this indentation here goes on the long side. Slide it in and snap it. Okay. This is the lock piece that I was telling you about. The lock piece locks in just like that. So it would actually look like that. Couldn't get it, but that's what it looked like. Let me let these people know. Couldn't get the lock on. Call it a day.